Now, a lot of students have confusion as to which of these words to use, who or whom. Well, we have a simple rule to explain this. When you're confused between who and who while asking a question, always check which form of the pronoun will be used in the answer, the subject form or the object form. Let me explain this further. Would you use a he or she, or would you use him or her? And the answer is what you need to check. If the subject form has to be used, that is, if you're going to be using he or she in the answer, then that means in the question you need to use who. And if you need to use him or her in the answer, then that means you need to use whom in the question. Again, let me explain. Supposing you're wondering, you need to ask, who or whom do you think we should approach to resolve this problem? Check in the answer. What would the answer to this be? We should approach him to resolve this problem. So the answer needs him. That means the question needs whom. Whom do you think we should approach to resolve this problem? Then another question. Who or whom is the captain of the Indian cricket team? What would the answer be? He is the captain of the cricket team. So the question would need who. Who is the captain of the Indian cricket team? It's very similar in statements. If you have a statement, I don't know who or whom has won the debate this time. You'll ask yourself, in the statement, if we were to replace who, whom with he, what would you say? While using he or him, one would say, he has won the debate. So you would say, in that statement, you would say, I don't know who has won the debate. Substitute he with who. And another example would be, I wonder whom the students will choose as president. When you are going to use he stroke him, you would say, the students will choose him as president. Therefore, in the above statement, one needs, I wonder whom the students will choose as president. Now, whoever versus whomever is similar. There's one other step to it. Him plus he is whoever, and him plus him is whomever. Let me explain. We will hire whomever you recommend. Now, this can be divided into two parts. We will hire him. You recommend him. So it's a him plus him situation. Therefore, we will hire whomever you recommend. Another example. Give it to whomever asks for it first. Give it to him. Of course, the him remains. See, in both statements, the first part is him. He will be asking for it first. He who asks for it first is what you're going to say. So it's a him plus he situation, and therefore give it to whoever asks for it first. So please just, not that you may get tested so very often, but this is just for your information so that you're not confused in case it comes up.